Every unnecessary discussion that you guys trigger, you'll get 1 point. 4 point goes a complaint to your dad. Okay? So be very careful with that. Because one person making mistake, one person triggering unnecessary discussion, one person disturbing the class, everybody gets impacted. Okay? So let's be more careful. So I'll just put the name here. If I hear anybody getting into unnecessary discussion, okay? So be mindful of that. Alright, so class starts. I will not ask you guys what is your plan for spring break. That is offline. Now, what we'll do today is, we'll first revise the tables. Let's see how much tables you guys have memorized. Okay? And there's nothing wrong or right, okay? If you miss something, if you don't remember something, that means you have to do it again. So, everybody will get some chance. Let's see. So, I had given task to everybody, right? So, you till 9, table of 9, you till table of 6, and everybody else table of 12, not 15. Who has done 15? Tell me. You have done 15? 14 6?
I didn't do 14.
So I did 20, okay? I did not do up to 19. That doesn't make any sense. So let's not waste time. Okay, so come back to the point. Till 12, everybody should know. Sania till 6, you till 9. Okay, that's what the plan is. Okay, 12 Pfizer. 12 Pfizer. 12. Ishan, do you want to score points? Yeah? Okay. Yeah, 12 Pfizer. 60. Okay, that means you have not memorized. Okay, let me see. 9 edger. 9 edger. 72. 8 sixer.
48.
Okay. 8 nineer.
72.
Okay. 7 nineer.
63.
Okay. 6 edger. 6 edger. Okay. So see, based on whatever I heard from you, what I can make out is, you're okay till table of 8. Table of 8 is not bothering you. Where you're getting stuck is table of 9. Okay. So I would want you to make sure that you don't make any mistake till table of 8. Learn 9 and 12 for the next class. That is on next Saturday.
What about 10 and 11?
10 and 11 there is nothing to memorize. If you think there is something to memorize, then there is a problem.
Yeah, it's easy.
Yeah? So 9 and 12 I would want you to memorize. Even if you don't do 12 and you are perfect with 9, I'm still okay. Next class. Next class, make sure that you are solid till 9. If I say 8 edges, you say 64. 9 7 is 63. 6 is 48. With that flow. Okay? So this is a task for you. You will remember the task. I will not. Everything is recorded here. I'll ask your parents that okay, check the video to figure out what is the assignment for Arnav. Okay? But you remember for yourself. Okay? Note it down. That you have a notebook, right? Note it down. That I have to memorize table till 9. And you have to be solid. That means every day spend 5 minutes. Alright. Let's come to Ishan. So your task was till 9. 9 7 ja.
63.
Say that again?
63.
63. 6 8 ja.
48.
Okay. 9 3 ja.
27.
8 4 ja.
28.
Mm-mm.
32.
Mm-mm. 8 4 ja 32. 8 4 ja is 32. Okay. 9 6 ja.
54.
Okay. So, okay, I can clearly see that you have memorized tables, but you have to increase your speed. Meaning, right now, see, table is all about calculation, but table we are trying to memorize to expedite our calculation. We don't want to do calculation to know tables, okay? It has to be the other way around. Meaning, I want you to spend 5 minutes every day and table till 9, like Arnav. For Ishan, I'm telling you the name also so that when you watch the video, you'll remember, okay, what is there for you. So, for Ishan and Arnav, table till 9 in the class on 16th. That is next Saturday. I want.
On the 16th, it's my friend's birthday.
Doesn't matter.
Oh.
I have 200 friends. Every day I'll have one of my friends having birthday. Doesn't mean I will stop eating. No, I will continue eating.
I think I can memorize table of 9 tomorrow.
I'll let you. I mean, we'll not do it tomorrow. I mean, you take time till next Saturday. Why I'm saying so because so that we continue learning other things. Okay, table is a side business for us. Is our enabler. Okay, so Ishan and Arnav, clear. Coming to Kavyan, let's see. And see, you don't have to be afraid of it. You should enjoy it. If you have not done it good, do it again. Do it with more seriousness. 9 6
54.
Okay. 11 3
33.
Okay. 8 8
64.
Okay. 12 5
60.
Okay. 39 I was tricking you actually. 13
117.
117. You're right. But yeah, see, I can hear, I can see that, right? Okay. 6 9
54.
Okay. So Kajal, you have done a good job. And I kind of tricked him by giving him something on 13 and he was able to do it. So don't go till 13. You're fine till 12. I would want you to still spend 5 minutes every day till you get bored of it. Okay? Like I have got bored now. I don't memorize tables now, but I still think that I can answer the questions very quickly. So that's why I'm not doing it nowadays. Okay? The day I realize that I start forgetting it, I'll start doing it again. Okay? Alright, Sania, let's see. 9 4 6 4 No prompting. 24. 5 8
40.
Very nice. 6 6
36.
Okay. 5 9
40.
Very nice. 4 8 32. Play with the tables. That's what I would say. Okay. So I know you are very new to the class. That's why I'm getting you geared up for where we enjoy this, right? So I will not change the target for you. Let's stay focused till table of 6. Next Saturday, I would want you to. I mean, every day you have to spend just 5 minutes, not more than that. Okay. Whenever you get 5 minutes, say, okay, let's look at table of 5. 5 1 5, 5 10, 5 15, 5 4 20, 5 5 25, 5 6 30, 5 7 35, 5 8 40, 5 9 45, 5 10 50. Oh, good. I remember that. So that is like 2 minute, 3 minute thing. Okay. Do it for next 7 days. Every day 2 3 minutes. Whenever you get time, right? You don't have to stress out yourself. Whenever you get time. Okay.
Oh, next Saturday I'm going on trip.
Next Saturday you're going on trip.
No trip.
Okay, then I'll give you something interesting to do. What you can do is, me and your dad, we are connected on Telegram. Do the table and sing it like the way I was singing right now. Okay. Record the audio, send it to me on Telegram before you are gone for the trip. You can do it on Friday, right? See, like I'm saying, every day you spend 5 minutes doing the tables. So when you're doing the practice daily, on Friday, before you leave for the trip, you say, okay, let me do table of 6. 6 for the 6, 6 for the 12, 6 for the 18, 6 for the 24. Do it in a flow, record the audio, send it to me. Okay? Remember, kind of remind your dad that you have to send one audio to me. Okay? Through your dad's number. Alright? Alright. So 6, 9, 9 and 12. Okay? So far. 12 5
60.
Okay. 12 8
96.
Okay. 12 9
108.
11 5
55.
10 9
90.
9 9
81.
6 8
48.
8 9
72.
Okay. She is giving the confidence that yes, she has done something with the table. So, no complaints. Let's come to Prashika. So, again, task for you is make sure that table till 12 doesn't go wrong, doesn't take time. When we say table, we are trying to get it right, get it fast. That's our goal. Let's come to Prashika. 12 5
60.
12 8
96.
12 9
108.
12 4
48.
11 7
77.
10 9
90.
8 8
64.
7 5
35.
6 9
54.
Very good. So I see everybody is working hard. Okay, everybody is working hard. Make sure that you're not working hard on this one, otherwise this will fall. Okay, so everybody is working hard. Okay, same thing. And now Ishan, everybody is doing good. Okay, I can see that you guys are putting some effort. I want you to put a little more effort. Stop playing with your hair. Okay, so now work a little bit more in a smarter way by putting 5 minutes and be solid with tables. Trust me, the day you become solid with tables till 15, 16, 17, you'll start enjoying maths. That's our goal. Okay? Alright. Let's see what we want to learn today. You guys remember what we learned in the last class? Yeah, go ahead.
I think it was customary or metric.
Customary units and metric units. Yeah.
Conversions.
We learned conversions also. You weren't there. Did you watch the video?
Huh? I watched
You-
the video, that's why.
Did you? Okay, so see, this is the thing. I don't want anyone of you to be absent in the class, but there are situations when you cannot avoid that. Be it due to some important thing, sometimes somebody falls sick, somebody is not well, weather is not good, whatever reason. If you miss a class, make sure that you watch the video of that class after that, because as soon as the class is done, I upload the video and send the link in the Telegram group where your parents get information about it. Any class you miss, the first thing you should do is, okay, let's see what was taught in that class. Watch the video to the end, take a note, and if you have any doubt, come to me.
But the videos are so long.
It has to be long. It is replaceable for your
more
class.
than like 1 hour.
It could be more than 1 hour, but what you have to do is, there are times where I'm talking something which may not be that important. You can skip through that. Right? Like the table thing, initial 10 minutes table. You can skip that. Then your lecture will be 50 minutes. Right? When I'm explaining something over and over again, you can just look at one part of it. As soon as you understood, skip that rest of the part. You have to find your ways to get what you need.
Like
Okay?
that, you have to watch the whole video. My dad will say you don't understand if you don't finish the video completely.
No, you have to watch the video. I'm saying when you watch the video, see, you missed a class. You did not attend that 1 hour of class. Now when you are watching the video, try watching the video completely. But when you see that I'm repeating the same thing again and again, one concept that you already understood, then you don't have to watch the next 5 minutes. You can just skip that part and then come back to it. Yeah? Alright, so let me give it to Gaushika. So Gaushika, this is the first page where we have all the topics for 3rd to 5th grade. Okay? Pick one topic that you want me to teach today.
What?
Yeah.
Why?
I mean,
I thought even if you know it.
huh?
Even if you know it. No.
No, it's something that you don't know. That's what I want trying to figure out.
What if others don't know power?
Okay?
Yeah,
Power.
is easy.
Okay,
Yeah,
that's power. Okay? 10 to the power.
I don't know.
What
Okay.
about 4 to the power of 216,
Yeah.
right?
I mean,
Hold it. Power is one concept. We'll learn it. Okay?
power.
What is it?
Power.
Power to 10. Okay? That is one topic.
Yes, power.
Power to. You want to pick one topic? Just see all the topics. See if there's something that you want to learn. I will take 2-3 examples and pick one from that. Okay? At least I would know. Power is one. More
Yeah.
strong.
Source.
Yeah? More valuable. Yeah? If I say I'm powerful, what it means is I have lot of value. I can change things. Right? If I have power, I can break this. If I don't have, I cannot. Yeah? Don't break it. You'll see the power of penalty also.
The power
Okay.
of paying people money.
Alright, so come here. Everybody back to the class. If you see 2, what it means? 2.
Yeah, just two.
Just 2. If you should see this, what does this mean?
Power.
2 to the power 2. Okay.
No.
And how do you understand this in layman's term?
You just multiply.
2 to the power 2, I heard you.
You just multiply.
No, you
Yeah.
multiply eight number, eight, the same number.
That many times.
Yeah, eight.
It's repeated multiplication, right?
Don't rush. Don't rush. Focus on the approach. Math is all about knowing the approach, not about the answer. At least I'm one unique teacher or useless teacher, you can say, who doesn't care about the answer. I don't care about the answer. I care about the approach, how you're solving the problem. Okay? Now, when you see 2 to the power 2, what does it mean? That means 2 multiplied by 2 again. So there's 1 2, there's one more 2 multiplied. That is how it makes it 2 to the power 2. If somebody says 3 to the power 4, what does it mean? 3 is multiplied 4 times. Okay? I'm sorry?
Know the answer.
I don't care. I don't care about the answer, that's what I told you guys. I only know what it means. Okay? That is the concept part of it. Now, since I'm forcing you, bothering you, bugging you guys to memorize tables, so I know. Since you know the tables, you'll be able to play with it. That's why I'm focusing on tables. Nobody has to bother about the answer. Only look at the approach. So, if somebody says 5 to the power 4 or 5 to the power 3, what does it mean?
5 times 3 4.
No,
Five-
like
5 times 5 3 times.
Yeah.
I know,
5
yeah.
times 5, 3 times.
I know that.
So 5 times 5 times 5. This 5 multiplied by itself 3 times. That's why it is power 3. Yeah?
I know that.
I don't care about the answer. That's what I'm saying. I'll repeat myself. Isha.
Let's try getting the answer.
The other ways to make it wrong. Don't do
Let's try
it.
getting the answer for this.
I have turned on the heater. So that's why I keep reminding you to bring your notebook. Come prepared for the class. If you come to the class, we are not doing a drama here. We are neither doing one act play. Don't get close to it. Because if there's no, if you by mistake you touch it and the electric current, it will hurt you, right? Don't do that. So coming back to this point, when you say power to anything means that same number multiplied this many times. Okay? Power to this means the same number 10 multiplied that many times, this many times. Okay? So if I say 10 to the power 2 equals 100, you should not be worried. Why? Because you know 10 to the power 2 means 10 into 10, 2 times. And 10 into 10 is 100. We know that. So that is why this statement. Okay? So don't trust me just because I'm a teacher, or don't trust anybody just because he or she is a teacher. Do it. That's what math says. Okay? So the only company that believes in maths is Nike. They say just do it.
What?
Nike.
I'm Nike.
No, I'm not. Nike is not my sponsor, okay? Nike doesn't pay me money.
Sponsored by Nike.
But Nike, there's only one company who is so very close to maths,
Just do
is Nike, which says just do it.
Just do it.
So when you do it, okay,
Just
when-
do it.
okay.
Don't trust me.
okay? So in future if somebody says, which is the most mathematical company, you will say Nike. Because they say just do it. And if you don't do it, math doesn't go
If we
anywhere.
don't trust anyone, we don't trust your brain.
I say anyone. Is brain anyone? Brain is yours.
Yes,
Anyone, when you
yourself.
say anyone, there is somebody who, see, that's what I was saying.
Is it really yourself?
No,
Brain.
anyone doesn't include yourself,
So you
right?
can't. Oh. Not
I don't like anyone, that doesn't mean I don't like myself. Yeah? Okay, so you guys got it?
Yeah.
Alright. So now let's play with power, don't play with yourself. Stop doing that. Now, if I say 10,
What time to the power?
if I just say, let's say, if I just say 3, if I just say 3,
3. It means 3.
it means 3.
Yeah.
There's one thing which is hidden that you guys cannot see.
What? What is it? I see.
3
No, you
to,
added
3 to the
that.
power 1 is actually hidden. That's the implicit meaning of it.
Oh,
Yeah.
It was 3.
3 to the power 1
3 times.
is actually 3. You just put 3.
Yeah, but what if you do 1
Oh
3
my.
times?
What?
That's 1 is power. Okay.
So power is only telling you how many times of that thing. Power doesn't say this many times. This is power of 3, not power of 1.
Yeah. That's what
So power of 3, you are looking at power of 3. 1 doesn't come into picture, it just tells you how many times.
Isn't 1 to the power of 3 just 1? Because 1 times 1 times 1.
That you can figure out. I don't have to care about the answer. If you know what 1 to the power 3 means, you will do it. And you will tell me what the answer is. If I agree, I will say yes. If I don't, I will say no. 1 to the power 3. If anybody has any doubt what the answer would be, let me know.
How are you even going to doubt that answer? It's
No,
1 to the power of 3.
it's okay. It's okay. It's okay to get doubt. It's okay to get doubt. There's no Ishan. You have not brought your notebook. You don't have your pen. You're not noting down anything. At least pay attention. All right. So 1 to the power 3 or 1 to the power 10. Which one is bigger?
1 to the power of 10.
Okay. 1 to the power 10. 1 to the power 10.
10.
1 to the power 10. They are equal. Okay.
Wait,
Any different
they're
opinion?
equal.
Any different opinion?
Oh, yeah, they're equal. Yeah, they're
One
equal.
times
One times,
Yeah.
one times, one times,
Yeah,
one times,
that's
one
why.
times, one
Yeah.
times 1.
Even if
So-
you do 13 times.
So that is why. Okay. Now I will tell you there is a magic. 1 to the power 1
1 to
and 1 to the power 1 million
1 million?
Yes.
is all the same.
No, how?
You keep multiplying 1 with 1 for the whole night, for the whole day, for the whole week, for the whole month. You'll only get 1.
Or you could do just 1 to the power of 100 trillion and it's still 1.
It's still 1.
That's 100 trillion, right?
No.
1 times 1 times.
See, that is what you have to remember in your mind. That if you are talking about a power, you are talking about a power to that number.
It's like the opposite.
If you are saying 2 to the power 1, you are talking about how many times 2 is getting multiplied by itself.
Oh, yeah.
If you are saying 10 to the power 5, you are saying 10 getting multiplied by itself 5 times. It doesn't have anything to do with this. It just tells you the times, the number of times. Now, 1 to the power 1 is 1, 1 to the power 2 is 1 into 1, that is also 1, 1 to the power 3 is 1 into 1 into 1 is 1. And you go on doing it. If you want to really waste your time, sit for next 1 week, take a notebook and keep doing 1 to the, into 1 into 1 into 1. Do it 1 million times and the answer will be only 1.
I could try doing it.
I cannot.
You'll be wasting your paper, a lot of paper, you'll be wasting your time and you might end up
You would just
crossing the threshold of your parents and they'll get pissed off.
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright. So this part you guys understood. Now something interesting.
Wait, can I
Not candy.
Can I add that real quick?
What do you want to add?
1 to the power of trillion is 1 and stuff. That thingy.
You want to note down or you want to do it now?
No, it's not.
Huh?
Can I know?
Obviously you have to note it
You
down.
just.
Be it 1 to the power trillion, 1 to the power gazillion, 1 to the power whatever it is.
1 to the power of infinity is just 1.
It's what? Now, I will tell you guys any number. Okay, let's look at some simple example. Okay, 2 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 2. How much is the value? Tell me in power. Yeah,
4 to the power 2.
4 to the power 2. Okay, that is one answer.
4 to the power of
4 to the power 4. Okay, that's another.
4. Agree.
Okay, 4 to the power 2 and 4 to the power 4. These are two answers I have got. Okay,
I agree. It's 4
Which?
to the power
4 to the power 2. Okay, so Gaushika also says 4 to the power 2. So this one has got 2 votes.
4 to the power 4.
4 to the power 4. This one also gets 2 votes. Okay.
What if you simplify it?
No. We'll come to that.
Right? Because 1 is
You also said 4 to power 2? 4 to power 4?
Yeah.
Okay, that's okay. See, no opinion is wrong. Now we have to validate because I don't trust you guys.
What?
I don't.
Oh yeah, just do it.
I will do it.
Yes.
I will do it.
Like you do it.
Okay. Calm down. So, 2 to power 2 into 2 power 2. Let me write it down. 2 power 2 is 2 into 2. And then there is a multiplication sign. I will put it again. And then 2 to power 2. Meaning 2 into 2. Okay. Now see how many times 2 is coming. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can write this as a power. 2 to power 4. This is one other answer that nobody evaluated. Okay. Now, another way I can do is, now I have got this many times. I can multiply these two together. So this becomes 4 into 4.
16.
That means 4 to the power 2. I am saying in terms of power of 2. So what Gaushika Mara said, this was okay. Sorry, I did not say anything actually. I did not count her vote. Okay. So but yeah, just see what I'm doing. Okay, just pay attention to this. So this was another answer, 4 power 2. Now my worry is this is not the right answer, even if there are 3 people voted for it. Why? Because if you look at this value, right? This is 4 into 4, 16. If you look at 4 power 4, that means 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. 4 times 4 is 16, 464 plus into 4 to 56. This is much more than this. So this is not the right answer. That's why I said I'll not trust anybody, I'll just do it. Okay? So, same situation you all will come across. You will have multiple answers to pick from. You don't have to trust anybody. If your best friend says something, that doesn't mean your friend is right.
What?
You have to check. You have to check by yourself.
What if your brain says something?
No, you have
And then
to
you
trust.
don't trust with your brain.
You trust your brain, you do the calculation, that's what I'm
Wait,
saying.
what if you don't know if your brain is the one who's talking?
I will put points if the discussion gets longer. Okay. What I'm saying is simple message is do it. Okay. Now I don't know if you guys noticed this thing or not. I was multiplying 2 power 2 and 2 power 2. What was the answer that I got? 2 power 4. Why? Because this became 2 into 2 and this became 2 into 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this became 2 power 4. Now,
What for?
2 to the power 4, okay? Now let's take another example. 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 4. What is the value? 2 into 2 into 2. This is 2 to the power 3, okay? Into 2 to the power 4. That is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now you count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this became 2 to the power 7. Are you guys noticing something here?
That's what I said.
This is getting added actually. If the base is the same, this is the base and this is the power. Base is the same. Power actually gets added here. This became 2 plus 2, 4. Here you put 3 and 4. Became 3 plus 4, 2 to the power 7.
Oh.
If I have 3 power 1 into 3 power 2, what is happening here? 3 into 3 into 3, which I can write as 3 power 3. What is happening? This and this getting added if my base is the same.
So we just add the top and then to the bottom.
Yeah?
Wait, but what if you do 1 to the, 2 to the power of 1 and then 3 to the power of 2?
No. The base has to be the same. You can add, let's say if you're talking about 2 power 3 into 2 power 8, then only you will add the power. This will become 2
What
power.
if the bottom number is different?
Yeah.
Then you will just do the mathematics, you just do multiplication. This is just a trick that I'm teaching you guys. Imagine this
There's
thing.
no trick for that?
No,
I wanted the trick for that.
no, there is no trick. Math is all about doing it. When you do it, then you will find the trick by yourself also. Okay? Here you cannot do any addition. These are two different bases. Even if let's say this also has a power of 3, that doesn't give you any clue. You have to still multiply it and get the answer. Your basic approach is always doing it and finding the answer. Some of the tricks work when your base is same. Okay? You can do multiplication, you can do division also. Now I will tell you guys that if somebody says multiply 2 to the power 618 into 2 to the power 7.
What?
2 to the power 618 into 2 to the power 7. If you try doing it by multiplication, you'll end up spending the whole night. Whatever we just learned now, if you use that technique, you'll be able to do in 30 seconds.
30 seconds of power.
Okay. 2 to the power of 25. No. 600. I forgot to say.
Yes, 625.
I forgot
power by
625.
2 to the power of 625. Is that
I
right?
always forget them.
Yeah. No, so you don't have to forget, See, but you guys understood how it came, right?
Yeah. You just add.
Because we saw that.
Yeah. What if we do 100 trillion by 2? By 2. Yeah.
Everybody got it?
Yeah.
Rashika, you got it?
2 to the power.
Okay, wait, no, I'm just checking. Wait. I'll come. Huh? Little confused. Let me repeat myself. What did we see? If I have 2 to the power 2, what does it mean? 2 into 2? No question. Okay. If I multiply this with 2 to the power 3, what happens? This one I will break, it becomes 2 into 2. And this one also I will break, it becomes 2 into 2 into 2. Now, with whatever we know about power, we see 2 is multiplied 5 times. This equals 2 power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah? So what did we see? If my base is the same, and if I am multiplying them, my power gets added. So 2 plus 3 became 5. Let's do one more test. Ishan, you are paying attention, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, if I am doing 3 to the power 1 into 3 to the power 4, let's say. Rashika? If I am doing this, I'm not just repeating myself so that you can digest this. So what it will mean? 3 into 3 power 4, meaning 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 4 times, right? This is 3 to the power 4 and this is 3. If I convert this into power, what will be the value?
3
Power 5. Yeah? So what did you see? See, if my base is the same, if I am multiplying them, my power gets added. That is what these people were trying to do. When I said 2 to the power 618 multiplied by 2 to the power 7, they say, oh, my base is the same. That means I have to add the power only. So 2 to the power 618 plus 7.
So you're saying
That is how it became 2 to the power 625.
So we can understand
Clear?
next time doing one problem with the trick.
Yeah.
We don't
And you can do division also with the same trick. I'm not teaching you guys right now.
Is it the opposite?
Can we do it?
We can do
Can
it.
we do it
The
next class?
opposite of multiplication. So there's the opposite.
Can we do it next
Yeah.
class?
We can do it now also. Let's
Oh,
see how much time we have. 10 minutes, okay? So let's do that. So now, again, I have always had everybody here in the class. I always have the option of telling you guys a formula and say, okay, just follow this. I don't do that. I don't like doing it actually. I want to explain you guys the approach. And when you see that approach, when you understand it, see now you are excited about how the division works, right? Because you like the multiplication approach, right? I want you guys to like the approach, like how things are derived, and then you'll be able to play with that. And if you are able to play with it, that is when math gets really interesting. Now let's look at this. I have 2 to the power 4, and somebody says divide that by 2 to the power 2.
Is it the same thing?
No rushing to answer. But, okay, don't go anywhere. Don't rush. Don't hurry
I
up.
know the answer.
Then I think.
I don't care about the answer.
I think it's 2 to the power of 2.
I don't care about the answer. Okay, tell me the approach.
I'm thinking that when you do like volume, can't you use exponents as well if you're finding the volume for a square?
Don't go that far.
Then 7 is the same thing that you did for multiply, but after that you divide them and.
So we'll do it. Okay. So we'll again worship Nike. Whoever is putting Nike shoes here. Okay. Nike.
Sponsored
Nike.
by Nike.
We'll worship.
Sponsored by Nike.
1, 2, 3,
These
4.
are Nike Crocs.
Yeah.
No.
So we'll worship. Okay. Come back to the class. Come back to the class. We have only 5 more minutes. Actually 10 more minutes before the class gets over. Okay. All right. So shh. Come down. So see, what is the question that we have? Hey guys, Kavya. So we have been told 2 to the power 4 divided by 2 to the power 2. Very simple. What it means? We can say like this: 2 to the power 4 divided by 2 to the power 2. Is this okay?
Yeah, that's a factor.
Yeah. Now look at this. 2 to the power 4 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. I'm not trying to teach you guys anything complicated, okay? I'm just trying to keep it as simple as possible, right? I know what power means, what division means. I'm just putting my understanding here. So far so good? Okay? Now, I got 2 to the power 4 divided by 2 to the power 2 in the fraction form like this. And we love tic-tac-toe. So this 2 and this 2 is gone. I'll take this 1, 2 and 1, 2, one of the 2's. How many 2's I'm left with?
1 and 2.
2 into 2. That is 2 to the power 2.
Let's go.
Oh, you can just minus it then, right?
I knew it.
So, see,
So
that
we
is
don't
what
have
it,
to do tic-tac.
that is what it looks like. Yeah?
We don't have to do tic-tac.
No, no.
Yeah, you don't have
Tic-tac-toe,
to.
tic-tac-toe is for making us understand how it is arrived.
You could just subtract it.
And if I say, okay, you should divide, subtract, why would you trust me? I'm doing it for you to make it believe.
I'm gonna write this down.
Next time in the class, check the temperature, put on warm clothes, so that you are not distracted.
I'm
Okay?
going to like a party after this, so that's why I'm going to.
I will not care about pre and post events. I am only concerned about the class. I'll not bother you. I'll not check you why you are going for party. No, that's not none of my business, right? But I wanted to make sure that in the class, you are 100% here. You are coming prepared. You are noting down. You are paying attention. That's my only ask.
Even if I get $1 billion, we still have to be here.
Yeah.
What?
I mean, unless you want to stop studying just because you are rich, unlike me.
Yeah,
What?
they're just all they're gonna do is show off. If they're-
Okay.
What if
So.
they're like Indian?
Okay, forget about it. Now, okay. Hey, Arnav, Vishal, everybody here. Now, whatever we saw just now, it is giving a view that, okay, we can probably subtract. Let's do it one more time to make sure that understanding is right.
Oh,
Now,
I think we cannot subtract.
3 to the power 7 divided by 3 to the power 2. One answer that we get is okay. Yeah, I think it's division, so it will be reverse of multiplication, meaning I'll subtract this minus this.
Now
So this will be 3 to the power 5.
Now I just think it's
This
not
is-
going to be right.
Huh?
Now I think it's not going to be right for some reason.
It's not going to be.
It's right, it's right.
It's not going to be 5.
No, it's not going to be right because
I
don't
think
know
it's
why.
gonna be right.
No, so you don't have to assume. You don't have to
Because
think.
when that happens, it just feels like it's not going to be right most of the time.
Mm-mm.
I think it's right. Because it works for me too.
My hairs are not great just like that. There has been a reason around it. Okay? Meaning, I've learned something, I've spent time, I've seen maths. That's why, okay, I'm not asking you guys to have grey hairs like me. What I'm saying is, my grey hairs are grey because I've spent some time with maths. Okay? Come here. Now, this is one thinking we have. Okay, this could be the answer. Let's not believe ourselves. Let's do it. This means 3 to the power 2. Okay, this is what it is. Now, 3 to the power 7 means 3 7 times. 5, 6, and 7 times. And 3 to the power 2 means 3 into 3. Now play tic-tac-toe. 1, 3, 1, 3 gone. 1, 3, 1, 3 gone. How many 3s are left? 3 plus 2, 5. That is 3 to the power 5. Whatever we thought is okay. Yeah? So, these are easy ones with maths. But
No, it's not.
if you practice it, it becomes easy. Always remember this subtraction or addition, whatever you do with power, always make sure that you check. The base is the same. If you are playing with 3 to the power 7 divided by 2 to the power 7, don't do subtraction, don't do addition. If the base is different, Don't even think on those lines. Just do normal maths, normal multiplication. Trust your instinct. Go with the table. That's it. If you are applying trick, you have to be doubly sure about it. If you apply a trick with a wrong understanding, the trick becomes mystery. Don't do that.